everyday, more increasingly professional environment, Speciality crop customers demand a tractor which is capable of working even more hours per day. It needs to be small on the outside but big on the inside. The new John Deere 5G Stage 3B Speciality tractors have a complete redesign of the left and right-hand consoles, providing up to 10% more room for the operator. The operator station has been raised in order to improve visibility. At the same time, the height of the transmission tunnel has been reduced by 33%, which provides more space and comfort during daily operations. This complete redesign allows for more room, offers more storage locations, and more convenient operator controls in all the F, N, and V versions. Hand throttle, PTO, four-wheel drive, diff lock, and hitch controls are conveniently located at the right-hand console. And finally, we offer the new Super Deluxe Seat, which is available for all the 5G versions, F, N, L, and V. More space and comfort for the long working days in the vineyards.